Hello everyone! If you are new here, my name is Sanjana. Welcome back to our channel English with Sanjana. In this video, we are going to talk about the alternatives to replace those expressions with very. So friends, if you are ready, let's get started. Very big. Very big is quite common. We can use huge, massive and gigantic instead of very big. For example, Colombo is a very big city. Colombo is a huge city. Very tired. Exhausted is the best way to express tiredness. For example, you must be very tired after the hard work. You must be exhausted after the hard work. Very happy. We can use overjoyed, thrilled, and delighted. For example, I am very happy to visit Canada. I am overjoyed to visit Canada. Very sad. The alternatives are devastated and disappointed. For example, I am very sad about my lost bag. I am disappointed about my lost bag. Very funny, hilarious. For example, they found my joke very funny. They found my joke hilarious. Very surprised. The alternatives are amazed and astonished. For example, I was surprised about the gift. I was amazed about your gift. Very small, tiny. Her apartment is very small. Her apartment is tiny. Very hungry, starving. For example, I am very hungry, Mom. I'm starving, Mom. Look how starving sounds amazing than very hungry. Very bad. The alternatives are awful, terrible, horrible, disgusting. For example, my test result is very bad. My test result is horrible. Very smart, brilliant, intelligent. For example, he is indeed very smart. He is indeed brilliant. Very angry, furious, mad. My mom was very angry about my grades. My mom was furious about my grades. Very cold, freezing. For example, it's very cold outside. You should wear a jacket. It's freezing outside. You should wear a jacket. Look how freezing sounds amazing. Next one is very beautiful. Gorgeous, stunning, elegant. For example, you look very beautiful in this dress. You look stunning in this dress. Very good, amazing, splendid, fantastic. For example, it is a very good idea. It is a fantastic idea. Very cute, adorable. Your baby is very cute. Your baby is adorable. That's the end of the lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. If you find this video interesting, useful, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new amazing videos in this channel. So I hope to see you next time. Bye friends.